This is how I clean my RC cars. First, I take off the tires. Then, I remove all the electronics so they don't get damaged. Even though the packaging says everything is waterproof, water can still get through eventually. Then I take my RC car to a sink and clean it with a toothbrush. Then I dry all the obvious bits, and let it dry in the sink. Make sure to dry the bearings and spray some WD-40 on them, so they don't rust. These are the electronics. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and liking if you enjoyed the content. Write in the comments below how you clean your RC car, and say if you don't like how I clean my RC car.